Today, we are doing lesson, hang on, I wonder if my computer's glitching. Can you guys hear me? Someone unmute their microphone if they can hear me. Okay, my computer came back. It was glitching for just a minute. Thank you. Okay, mute our microphones back. Thank you for telling me. This morning, we are working on lesson 26. I can model. Model is a fancy Nancy word for show. I can show you how to break apart 9 using fingers, linking cubes, and number bonds. Okay, let's take a look at our warm-up. Here is what we call the Rec and Rec. Remember that? Let's review the regular way to say the numbers that come after 10. Then we'll learn some new ones. No, Nicole, you cannot unmute your microphone and blurt out, honey. Okay, so this is 10. I have 5 red and 5 white. This is 10. 1 more than 10 is 11. Say 11. How many beads do you see? 11. We've been saying 10, 1. Now we're going to say 11. 1 more than 11 is what? 12. How many beads do we see? Say 12. 1 more than 12 is 13. How many beads do we see? 10 and 3 make 13. 1 more than 13 is 14. How many beads do we see? 14. 10 and 4 make 14. 1 more than 14 is 15. How many beads do we see? 15. 10 and 5 make 15. Now, gradually raise your hand as the numbers go up, and then lower your hand as the numbers go down. So if my numbers go up, do this. If my numbers go down, do this. Are you ready? All right. It's going up. Still going up. Oh, what did it do? It's going back down. Going back up. We could do it like a roller coaster. You could do like this, like you're going up, and then go down like you're going down. You could do it that way too. Okay, so I'm right here. Going up. Going down. Going back up. Going up some more. Went back down. Going up. Going up. Going down. Okay, excellent job. Now, I'd like you to get out your handy dandy math book and turn to page 109. Let's write that. When you have your math book and a pencil and you're gonna need your crayons, and you're open to page 109, give me a double thumbs up. That lets me know I've got my stuff and I'm ready to go. Thank you, Nicole, DJ, Carolyn, Arwie, Ryan, Adeline, Landon, good. I think we have a few people still looking. Give them just a minute. Smriti, do you have a question?
Isn't there 9 socks? Some are green and the rest are blue?
Yep, that's it. See my cat with their socks? Okay, let's read the entire story problem and then we're going to work it out. Let me get my pointer so I can read it. It's laundry day. We have 9 extra socks. Some are green and the rest are blue. Draw the set of green socks and the set of blue socks. Make a number bond to help you tell about your picture. All right, I'm going to take this one sentence at a time. The first sentence says, it is laundry day. Do I have to do anything with that sentence? No, it's just telling me. The next sentence says, we have 9 extra socks. What do I do with that? We have 9 extra socks. What do you think I should do?
I don't think you do anything.
Yeah, we can circle 9.
The 9.
Yeah.
Circle the numbers.
Yep. Our next sentence says, some are green and the rest are blue.
What I'm going to do?
Okay, honey, you need to have your book open to page 109. It looks like this, and you're following along.
We already had that, but what if I do?
You're just watching me right now.
Okay.
Okay. Now, the second sentence said some are green, so I'm going to circle that word green with my green crayon so I don't forget. And the rest are blue. Unfortunately, I don't have a blue crayon, or a blue marker, but I'm going to circle it here. The rest are blue. Draw a set of green socks and a set of blue socks. I can do that, but wait a minute. How do I know how many socks to draw? Who can tell me? How do we know how many socks to draw? Nicole?
Maybe I can draw 9 because I'm 4 4.
Okay, so they have 9. Hold on, Nicole, thank you. We have 9 socks. So I need to draw 9 socks and make some green and some blue. Do that now on your paper. When I draw a sock, I draw it like this. I kind of just do like that. And I can shade it in a little bit. You don't have to do the same as me. You can show it your way. Just make sure you have 9.
Miss Kate?
Uh-huh.
I'm just drawing circles.
That's fine. Yeah, that's absolutely fine. If you just want to draw circles instead of a sock and draw blue and green circles, that is perfectly okay. Just make sure you have 9. I'm gonna go back and count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Mine is good. I have 9. When you've drawn your socks, your blue socks and your green socks, put your hands on your head to let me know I drew my picture. Thank you, Landon and Estelle. DJ, good job. Anya, thank you.
Miss Kate.
Ryan, good job. Yes.
Miss Kate. Can you draw the socks blue?
Yes. I don't have a blue marker, but hopefully you do. Now, we're
Okay,
gonna.
thank you.
We're gonna make a number bond to go with our story. I'm gonna draw my number bond this way. I need to start with my whole. What's my whole? DJ, can you tell me the whole? The whole tells me how many I started out with. How many socks do I have, DJ?
9.
Very good. That's gonna be my whole.
And you took 1 away, you have 8.
Yeah, but we're not taking any away. Then I'm gonna put my arm out and I'm gonna do a part. Who could raise their hand and look at my picture and tell me one of my parts? What's one of my parts? Landon?
5.
Excellent. I have 5 green socks. So that's one of my parts. And someone else, another friend, raise your hand and tell me, what's my other part? Are we?
4.
4. I have 4 blue. So, let me check my work. Do 5 and 4 make 9? Yeah, it does. And that matches my picture. Who had something different? Raise your hand and tell me. Who had something different? Carolyn, what did you have? What did your number bond say?
I have 4 and 5.
Okay, so your number bond had the 5 here and the 4 here. Does that still make 9? Yes, it does. Let's do someone else. Johnian, how is yours different?
6 and 3.
Very good. Johnian had 6 and 3 as his 2 parts. Do 6 and 3 still make 9? Yes, it does. Awesome. Did somebody have something different? Ryan.
7 and 2.
Ryan had 7 and 2. Excellent. So we can see that there are a lot of different combinations of parts to make 9. Go ahead and neatly put your crayons away in your book. Move your book to the side and we'll get started with our whiteboard and dry erase marker and 9 linking cubes or small objects to count with. We're gonna listen to Miss Emily again today. She's gonna help us.
Hello, mathematicians. I'm Mrs. Chandrasekhar. Today we're going to be taking apart 9 with cubes and number bonds. Let's get started. For today's lesson, you will need your whiteboard, dry erase marker, and 9 Lincoln cubes. I'll be using 5 blue and 4 red, but you can use 2 sets of 2 different colors, just as long as 5 is one color and 4 is another color.
You do not have to have 2 different colors. That's okay.
Find your materials and press play once you've found them. Friends, yesterday I saw my student Lee, and we played with blocks. Give me a thumbs up if you like playing with blocks.
Legos.
I know I do. Lee had 9 blocks. Show me 9 blocks with your fingers.
Okay, so hold up 9 fingers for me. And do it the math way. Good job.
Good. Lee had 9 blocks. 5 of Lee's blocks were blue, and the rest were red. Show me her blue blocks with your fingers. Good. Now, think, think, think. How can we find out how many red blocks Lee had? How can we find out? Lean into the computer and tell me how you could find out.
Okay, how do we find out? She said Lee had 9 blocks. We know that 5 of them are red. But
9.
how do we, hold on, DJ. How do we know how many were blue? She didn't tell us, so how do we figure that out? Landon?
We do our own problem set.
Okay, so how do I do that? I know I've got 9.
You could draw 5 and 4.
Okay, so I could start with 5 and count on to 9. 6,
Yes.
7, 8, 9. That's a great strategy. What's another strategy I could do to figure out how many I needed?
Miss Kate?
Carolyn, hold on, Johnny. You're gonna have to raise your hand.
Put 5 in your head and count on.
Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. What's another way I could figure this out?
You could put 4 and then you can count on.
Well, what if I know, so we start with 9, right? Lee
Yes.
has 9 bucks. 5 of them are red. So we take those 5 away. How many are left that are blue? 4.
4.
So you could
Okay.
count on, or no, we are not blurting out. You have to raise your hand. And then we can take 5 away. Okay, I see a few friends with their hands raised. Jonyan, what's your question?
I cannot find the dry erase marker.
Okay, sweetie, just use a scrap piece of paper and a pencil. Let's see. Nicole, do you have a question? Because your hand's up.
I don't like answering like your guys' questions, your questions.
What?
Like, if you have a question for us, I'm raising hand for this because
Oh,
always I like
okay.
to answer some questions.
Okay. All right, let's listen to Miss Emily.
I'm listening. I heard a friend tell me that we know Lee has 9 blocks all together. We can show that with our fingers. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 blocks all together. We already said that 5 of those blocks are blue, and we're trying to find out how many are red. A friend told me that since we know 5 are blue, we just can count the rest after the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So friends, how many blocks are red? Think. Say it. That's right. 4 blocks are red. 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4 makes 9. 9 is 5 and 4. 9 is 5 and 4. Great job. I wonder if you can do that on your own. Put your arms up here.
Do it with her.
And do the number bond, saying the numbers. Ready? Go.
9 is 5 and 4.
Great job, friends. 9 is 5 and 4. We can also show Lee's blocks with cubes. 5 blue cubes and 4 red cubes. 9 is 5 and 4. We already did the number bond with our arms, so I wonder, can you do it with the drawing? I want to see you do it on your own. So pause the video and draw the number bond showing Lee's blocks.
Okay, once you've drawn it, hold it up. You can draw the number bond any way you choose. Hold it up when you're finished. Yes?
Do we have to fill it in?
Yes, you need to fill it in with the numbers. Yep. I'm sorry, I forgot to say that.
Miss Kate,
Yes.
what are we doing again?
You are drawing the number bond to go with the picture and
Okay.
holding it up. Wonderful job, are we? Great, Landon, Carolyn, Russell, Estelle, good job. Don't forget your arms. Good job, Nicole. Smriti, Ryan, very, very good. Okay, let's see what Miss Emily shows us.
Does yours look like mine? Pause the video if you need to fix it. Erase your boards.
Okay, erase, erase, erase. I'm gonna count down from 5. When I'm done counting, everyone's board will be clean. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's your question?
I was the one who said when you called on me, I was the one who was going to say the question.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
Can I tell you what?
Okay, what's your question?
Take out your
Hold on. What's your question, sweetie?
After class, can I show you something?
No, I was asking, yes, Nicole, but I'm talking to Arwie. What was your question, Arwie?
I think I forgot.
Okay, just hold it till after class. All right, friends, it looks like she's having us get 9 cubes out. Get your 9 cubes or your 9 small objects.
Cubes and put them in a stick like this. How many cubes are in your stick? Think.
Show it with your fingers.
Say it.
Show it.
Yes, We have 9 cubes in our stick.
Good job.
Let's take off 1 cube at the end.
Take off one
red
cube.
cube.
Do like what she did and space it.
Do we still have 9 cubes altogether?
Oh, do we still, thumbs up if we do, thumbs down if we don't. Do we still have 9 cubes? All together? Think about what she's asking. All together means this. All together. Is there still 9 there? Yeah, there is. Let's see what Miss Emily says.
Give me a thumbs up if we do,
Oh,
a thumbs down if we don't. I'm watching. I saw a lot of thumbs up. We do still have 9 cubes altogether. They're just in 2 parts. What are the 2 different parts? Think. Say it. Yes, our 2 parts are 8 and 1. Let's show our number bond with our arms while saying the whole and
okay,
the parts.
so we're going to do
Ready?
like that again.
Arms up. Go. 9, 8, 1. Whole, part, part. We did the number bond with our arms, so let's draw it. Pause the video to draw your number bond.
And then hold it up, and you can draw it any way you want. I challenge you to draw it a different way. Meaning, if you drew this last time, now try to draw this. Try to draw it a different way. Hold it up when you're finished. Great, Carolyn. Fantabulous, Nicole. Good job, Ryan. Adeline, do you have a question, sweetie? Good job, Estelle.
This is Kate.
Good, are we? Yes. Good, Johnny.
I can't hear goodly.
You can't hear very well. Draw a number bond to show this. Can you do that for me? Okay. Let's see. Hang on. Let's see. Anya, just wait. Let's see if our number bond matches Miss Emily's.
Now, let's take off another cube and put it to the side with the 1 cube.
Okay, she's sliding another cube over. Hold on, Anya.
Do we still have 9 cubes?
Oh, thumbs up if we do, thumbs down if we don't. Do we still have 9 cubes just because we slid one over? Think about what she's saying, you guys. Look, look, look. Look at this. Are there still 9 cubes? Yeah, there's still 9 cubes. I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I still have 9. It's just some are moved over. Ooh. Okay, let's listen.
Think. Say it. Yes, we do still have 9 cubes. We just have different parts. What are your new parts? Think. Say it.
Okay, so what is this part? Show me with your fingers. Show me, show me, show me. I see pencils and I should not see pencils. I should see hands showing me this. This is 7. I'm sorry,
Miss
DJ.
Kate,
Yes, Anya.
you're frozen and I can't see a few people. So can I log out and can you let me back in?
Yes, sweet girl. All right.
Miss Kate,
Now, how many, Nicole, how many are in this part? How many are here? Very good. Show me with your fingers. Nicole is. That's good, Adeline. There's 7 over here. Now, how many are here? On this side. 2. Yes. Excellent. Let's see.
Yes, our new parts are 7 and 2. Let's show our number bond with our arms.
Okay,
Arms up. Let's say it all together. Ready, go. 9, 7, 2. Great job, friends. Now, pause the video to draw your number bond.
Okay, we're gonna pause it, draw your number bond. I challenge you to draw it a different way and then hold it up. Good job, Russell. Good job, Nicole. Thank you, Carolyn. Awesome, Landon. Good, Ryan. All right, let's listen. Let's see if our number bonds match.
Let's see if you can do the next one all on your own.
Oh.
Take the next red cube off, put it together with the 2 cubes, and draw a number bond to match. Pause the video.
Okay, so erase, 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 erase your whiteboard clean. I'm gonna count down from 5 and everyone's whiteboard's gonna be clean. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, slide 1 more cube across and write your new number bond. Hold it up when you're done. Good job, DJ. Hold it up when you're done. What's your question, DJ?
I didn't do it yet.
Okay, go ahead, and this is a new number bond. We're not doing this. Slide 1 more cube across and draw a brand new number bond and hold it up. Good job. Great, DJ. Thank you, Carolyn. Good, Estelle, Nicole. Are we? Very good. Adeline, I think I saw yours. John Yin, yes, Adeline. Adeline, now let's think about it. We don't have 2 anymore. When we slide this one over, now we have 3. Excellent. Good job. Okay, let's listen.
Okay, you're glitchy again.
I'm sorry.
Wow, great job, friends. I bet you
Good
can
job,
do some more
Adeline.
all on your own. Pause the video and do it 2 more times. Taking the red cube off
We're not going to do that part.
and drawing a number bond to match. 9. Did anyone notice a pattern while you did this?
Okay, so look right here. Remember yesterday when I showed you guys the pattern with addition sentences? Well, today she's doing the same thing, but she's using number bonds. Let's take a closer look. Look at just the whole and all of the number bonds. Someone raise their hand and tell me, what do you notice about the whole? Let's see. Ryan, what do you notice about the whole?
The blue side is bigger to smaller, and the red side is smaller to bigger.
Very good. But the whole stays the same. Excellent, Ryan. The whole is the same. Now, let's look at the top part. And I'm going to put that in a different color. Look right here at each top part. So on each number bond, there's two parts, and we're looking at the part at the top on each number bond. Look at it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's happening? Estelle?
I actually can't see because your screen's too blurry.
Oh, I'm sorry. But listen to the numbers. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Landon, what's happening?
They're going up to down.
Yeah, you're counting down there. You're starting with 8 and counting down to 1. And then look at, I'm going to choose a different color. Look at the second part. The second part is counting like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The second part is counting up. It's just like the addition sentences, except with the number bond. Good job, friends. Okay. Now, let's take a look at here. Let's make addition sentences out of them. See what happened? We took our number bonds and we made them like an addition sentence. This makes it a little easier to read. Our whole is next to our equal when we add. Our parts are counting down, and the second part is counting up. You can do this with any number. Someone call out a number, or raise your hand, first raise your hand, and call out a number between 1 and 9. Anya.
6, because I'm 6 years old.
I like it. 6. So, our number is 6. 6 equals. What's 1 less than 6, friends? Show me with your fingers. 5. 6 equals 5. Then underneath it, I'm just going to count down. 4, 3, 2, 1. 6 is my whole, so it's going to be the same all the way down. Now I can add. But instead of counting down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I'm going to count up. So what number am I going to put here? Nicole, what number am I going to put here?
I
counted down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here I need to count up.
1,
1,
1, 2,
2,
3, 4.
3, 4, 5. That's an easy way to figure out, using a pattern, an addition sentence, or all the different ways to make 6. All right, friends, I want us to get out our handy dandy math books. Let's take a look. Open up your math book to page 111.
It's 111.
Yep.
Miss Kate?
Yes.
Do we have to sign our name on here?
You don't have to. Just open your book.
If you want, can
Give
I
me-
sign it? I'd like to sign.
Okay. Give me a thumbs up when you're on the right page with your writing utensil. Okay. Looks like most of my friends are ready. The directions say the squares below represent cube sticks. Draw a line from the cube stick to the matching number bond. Fill in the number bond if it isn't complete. Oh my goodness, this can be tricky. Let's do this together. Look at our first one. Look at the number bond. All of our holes, what do you notice about the hole? Someone raise their hand and tell me. What do you notice about the hole? Russell, what do you notice about the hole?
The hole is always 9.
So the hole stays the same. I need to look at, that means I need to look at the 2 parts. The 2 parts in this first one are 7 and 2. Do you see a stick with 7 gray squares and 2 white squares? I do too. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2. So this must belong here. Draw a line to match it. Now I'm going to look at this number bond. My parts are 5 and 4. See if you find a stick who has 4 colored and 5, or 5 colored and 4. Draw a line to match it.
Kate,
Yes.
I can't figure it out.
Okay, sweetie, let's take a look. My 2 parts are 5 and 4. I've already used this one, so I don't have to use him anymore. Let's look here. Are 5 cubes colored in, or 4 on this one? No, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colored in. 8 and 1. That, we need 5 and 4, so it's not this one. Let's look down here. Do we have 5 colored in here? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not this one. This one looks like it's 3. Hold on. 3 and 6. Remember, this one was 8 and 1. Let's see if it's this bottom one. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one of the parts that I need. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that my other part? Yeah. So this and this match. I can draw a line to match it. let's look at this one. Part of my number bond is missing. I only have the 8. How do I figure out which one's missing? Raise your hand if you know and can help me. DJ? DJ, unmute your microphone, buddy.
Okay.
Okay, so how do we know what to fill in here? What goes in my empty part?
Which one are you
So look, we've got 8 in one part.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Give us a 9.
So look, DJ, we've got 8 in one part. Look up here. Which one shows 8 colored in?
1.
Right here, yep, and we have 1 left over. So we'll put a 1 here, because we know one of our parts is 8, and then there's 1 empty, so we can draw a line. Good job, DJ. You can mute your microphone back.
Should they mute your mic?
Sorry.
That's okay. All right. Now, at the bottom, I have 3, a mystery, and 9, Landon. What's going to go in my mystery?
6.
6, because I can look at my cube stick and see that 3 are here, and the ones that are missing are 6. So I can draw a line from this number bond to here. Okay, now let's look at the back of your paper. Turn your paper to the back, and we're going to do these 2 together, and the last one you're going to do on your own. Yes.
I accidentally made a mistake, so I'm just going to scratch it off because I was using a pen.
Okay, try to use pencil, Anya, when you're working, because we all make mistakes. Okay, draw in color a cube stick to match the number bond. Fill in the number bond if it needs. So, let's take a look. Here, my number bond has 9, 5, and 2, or 5 and 4. What do I need to do first? What's my first step to draw the cube stick? Are we?
Circle the, never mind.
Yeah, you're used to word problems. But what's our hole? Our first step is to look at our hole. Our hole is 9. So I need to draw a cube stick with 9. Remember, I taught you a shortcut with this. You can draw a rectangle and put 1 less lines. So instead of 9, I'm going to put 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That makes 9 cubes. Now my other 2 parts are 5 and 4. What am I going to do now? Someone raise their hand and help me with this. What do I do? Let's do Carolyn. What do I do?
Color.
So how many am I going to color?
Everyone. 5.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The
4.
one part is 5, so let's say I make 5 green. And the other 4, I might make that red. You pick the colors you want to use. Now I have a cube stick to match my number bond. Go ahead and do this one by yourself. I'm going to give us a minute to do that. Raise your hand when you're done and you can help me. So do this one. Remember, we look at our whole first. Our whole here is 9. Try to do this on your own. Draw your cube stick and color it in and fill in the number bond. Whoops. I'm gonna give us about 1 minute. Then I'm gonna call on some friends.